Hello sir, what's your good name?
Myself, architect Prasanjit Sanyal. I am the chairperson of IIIT Lucknow Regional Chapter, and I am the principal architect of the firm SDC, that stands for Shubh.Shri Design Cell.
How do events like synthesis design contribute to sustainable architecture and design?
See, talking about sustainable design practices is a very broad and a very big term. But to summarize that, I would say that IIIT Lucknow chapter is always in the forefront of organizing events that helps in providing knowledge to our members, to the students and the general public. Its main motto is to spread awareness about design. Why I'm talking about this is, if the general public knows what exactly design would do to their residences and all, first of all, their lifestyle will change. Secondly, the entire building industry that comprises of the manufacturers, the traders, the persons who are masons, the carpenters, the false ceiling people who are doing into interiors, and us, the designers, everybody will be benefited, right? So our idea is to spread awareness about design. Now, synthesis. Why we have named synthesis? See, Lucknow has a very rich past and a very lively and modern and vibrant future and present. So what we wanted to showcase through this event is exhibitors who are coming here, who will be exhibiting their design, their materials, very, very innovative designs, very, very innovative materials that will help us, the architects, to tell our clients, people who are coming to us to getting their houses, their hotels, their offices, their residences designed. So we will be able to tell them, because people who will be coming over here, they will be seeing the various kinds of interior products. So whenever we will tell them, I want to use say X material, they will have a brand recall. This is one thing. You have asked me, can you repeat about the sustainable question which you have asked me?
The question is, how do events like these contribute to sustainable architecture and design?
Very important question. See, if you see, since morning we organized at BBD University, and since so many days we are trying to spread about Design Yatra that we have gone through this time. We organized. Our message was, if you can see, right from use of green colors, and if you see in the forecourt over there, in the parking area, n number of EVs, electrical vehicles. Why it is that? First of all, we are telling people, trying to inculcate the knowledge about usage of sustainable design practices, and the use of only electrical vehicles is to spread message amongst the people of Lucknow that if we want to enjoy the fruits of what nature has given us, and we want our future generations also to enjoy that, so we need to use and practice sustainable practices.